All right, so today we have the Vicrez Auto Care Complete Car Wash Edition, like the detailed solution for everything that you need. So this is your all-in-one kit for cleaning the interior and your exterior for your car, from like waxing, protection, for car detailing. Everything you need is in this one kit. So if you just get this kit, you can pretty much clean, wax, and protect your entire car. The number is VAC111, and it comes with like in these 6 different like product. So it comes with 4 microfiber cloth and 1 large one. And this like hand mitts that you can put on for cleaning and for drying. These are really soft, so it won't damage your car, the inside or outside. All right, so we're gonna go down the list from right to left, or my right to left. So we have the waterless car wash and wax. And this one is pretty simple. If you don't have a water source like a hose, you can just use this to wash your car directly. So you just put a nozzle on with this, shake the bottle well, you just spray it directly onto the car and use your microfiber cloth to just wipe it and clean it. So this one's very simple, very easy to use. You pretty much want to start with this one to do like the basic car wash cleaning if you don't have a really strong or reliable water source. And the second one we have here is the Shield Shine Wax and Wash. And this one is pretty much like your wax and your protective, like outer layer kind of ish type. So after you wash it, the car, you can use this to kind of give the car like a little light coating to kind of protect your car and give like that little shine. And this one's pretty simple too. You mix this with the water. So in the bucket like this we provided here, you can mix this with the water bucket and use your sponge or use your microfiber cloth or this mat, and you kind of just gotta give the car a really good wipe and rinse. And since we have like a foam gun, like foam dispensary type that connected to the water hose, we can actually mix it together and spray it directly. All right, so for this bottle, it's a protective shield for vinyl, plastic, and any rubber parts. So any exterior or interior that has all those property, you can use it on this. So your diffuser, maybe plastics, you can use on that. You have vinyl on your car. If you have leather in your car seat, you can use this as like a protective shield. So this one's pretty simple. You wash the part first with either with the Car Wash Pro first, or with just simple solution like that. And then after that, you just kind of want to give this a light coating. So put a nozzle on, shake it really well, spray it, and just wipe it with a microfiber cloth. All right, so the next bottle we have is all-purpose interior cleaning. So this one, like I said, is very simple. It's everything that you need to clean your inside of the car. So the process is very simple. You pretty much shake the bottle really well, attach a nozzle, you spray it to the area that you want to clean. So anything interior of your car should work for this one is all-purpose. So your seats, your console, your glove compartment boxes, like even your steering wheel. If you want anything inside cleaning, this should do the job. You want to do one section at a time. For like the best optimization, you want to have 2 microfiber cloth, one to wipe it wet and one to wipe it dry. You spray it onto the area you want to do. You wipe it with one of the microfiber cloth. And if it's still wet, you want to grab another towel and wipe it dry. And then this next bottle we have is anything that's glass related. So anything, your windows pretty much, your side mirrors, your inside rear mirrors, that should all work with this one. It's fairly simple as well. You just spray it directly onto the glass and you wipe it with your microfiber cloth. And this one is specific for the glass and mirrors. So right here I'm gonna do the driver's side window and the mirrors right here. And this is our last one, which is meant for tree sap, or if you have any minor scratches, this should work. You know, you want to make sure you give your car a simple wash first before you use this to get all the dirt out real quick. And after that, you just apply this directly onto the kind of like the problem area, we would say. So any minor scratches, or if you see a big tree sap, bird droppings, any like dirt, major dirt, or any like, you know, scratches like that, you want to use this as well. So you can either use a sponge to kind of scrub all that off, but I'll recommend this used mainly for minor scratches and for tree sap. So that's it for our Vicrez Complete Cleaning Car Wash Detailing Solution Kit. Again, the product number for this kit is VAC111. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more auto care products we will be launching.